Subliminal TV.
I had one Stradale side skirt because I couldn't find the other one. They're not easy to find. Then I got in touch with Scott at Ratarossa because I saw him always building these Stradales, and I said, hey man, do you have any leads on where I can get a skirt from? And he told me, Prosport. I tried them, they had them. And that's them. So not only did I get the other one that I was missing, of course they already wasn't painted at first, but not only did I get the one that I was missing, I also told a friend who was also looking to get Stradale skirts, and he ordered a pair. So today I'm about to go over here and help him put them on, because I told him that I went through the process of trying to put mine on, of course, and you know what I found out? My car is so low that I've scraped the bottom. The bolt heads, they're scraped flat. So there's like an Allen key, but there's no Allen key, it's just flat. So maybe I'll try to tap those out. I ordered the bits to tap those out. I'll probably do that today. I don't know, I'm not really concerned with that today. If we have time, I'll maybe do that. I'm not gonna put the skirts on today, as you can see there in the room, but I'm gonna at least probably tap those screws out. But what I am gonna do is help him put his on, because Scott did tell me that there was one bolt that was very hard to get to. It is hard to get to, but it's not impossible, you know, you get to it or whatever. And I was telling my friend Alex the same thing, and so now we're gonna go over here and try to get this done. Peace. I'm not sure if you can see that because the LED lights is jumping, but I love how I can look at my temperature of when my car is warming up. I know I have the gauge there, but it's just so much more, like, I don't know, it's something about it. I love this steering wheel. It's actually a nice day out here today. Very nice for, we're going into we're not going into New Year's, we're in January, we are in the new year. I'm telling you, it's not like I have Los Angeles weather, I don't have Miami weather, but I'm a long way from Wyoming, Utah, New York weather. it's pretty nice here. We don't have much cold. A couple of months. I love the way this car sounds. Like every time I get in this car and drive it, it's an experience. Especially with this new steering wheel. I ain't gonna lie. Like this wheel, it just added something to this car for me. It really did. And to think that I was gonna get the wheel before, and I was like, you know what, never mind, didn't get it because the factory wheel, like I said, I don't hate it. So to think I was just gonna let this wheel go, I love this wheel. I love it. Alex, haven't seen it in person. I'm sure he's gonna like it. Alex, he likes wheels on certain cars and things like that, but when it comes to like too much of this aftermarket stuff for like the Ferrari, Lamborghinis, he doesn't really do it. Give him a radio and he's fine. Me, I'm always gonna customize mine. I'm never gonna leave a car stock. Let me tell you something. You're here on this channel, what you're gonna learn is I build everything. I'm never leaving anything stock. Nothing's gonna be stock.
I'm used to watching stuff in video. They're talking about all the different things you have to take off.
The paint is good. What were you complaining about?
The price.
Nice. So this guy ain't even started.
Because he talked about the bolts and he had to cut off the bolt on his. That's behind there where the oil cooler was and all that.
You say you cut it?
Yeah.
I didn't have to cut it. I was able to get it.
You got yours off on both sides?
I got the screws out. Yeah, I didn't put them back because I know I got to go back to it. So I never even put them back.
So you got yours off?
Not the skirt, but I got the bolt off. So I don't have to go back to it. When I'm there, it's already off. Look at this guy. You take it? For what?
This is annual. My boy Rich there.
How you doing? So you helping him out?
Not today.
We both got tired. We're like,
So Alex was biting off more than he can chew. He decided that he would not do it today because it's more trouble than he thought. Remember that boat that I said was really hard to get to? That was one of the ones that he decided was too much today. It needs to be, I'm gonna wake up in the morning and spend the whole day doing this thing. So I'm gonna just hang out with him for a minute. And I'm gonna go about my day. You know what I didn't think about? I should have brought a light. I got my camera, but I didn't bring a light.
Subliminal.